Morning, everyone. Jason from Hedge Plus with our weekly look at the cattle and hog markets. The livestock, cattle, been kind of consolidating. Pretty good drawdown from the highs. We've seen beef cutout values fall to about 388. We were 405. We were 420 not long ago. So we've seen some weakness there. You kind of wonder when the people that have been long that market for a really long time, riding this freight train, when does the ride stop? Everybody's trying to guess when the party's over. Typical fashion for markets, you go straight up for as long as we have, you tend to overshoot the top side. So at some point here, it's just something's got to give. I think we can stay at an elevated price for the cattle markets because we are tight. We're not having imports come in from Mexico right now. Got issues with Brazil with tariffs. So all those factors, I think, keep the market elevated. But you see in the corn market, when we go to $8, it's too high. It overshoots the move. We go up too much, we go down too much. And then we just kind of find, okay, what's reality? What's a reasonable level we can stay at? So that's where if I'm long the cattle market, December live cattle, for example, we put in a low last week at 230. Now we're consolidating in about a $5 range. I'm putting stops under that low from last week. I don't want to see it drop below there. So if it does, you might see a decent break. The market's got some room to go down, can still stay at a high level, but that's where let's make sure as we're seeing some strength, some rebound action and kind of upper end of the range that we've been in for a couple weeks now, just buy some puts below the market. It's call in and ask us, how do you do this? How do you protect these prices? Because they're really tremendous and you can go into next spring, out to next summer and get some things done. So call in if you have any questions. The hog market is, I've been saying $90 December hogs is where I reward the strength that we've seen. We pulled back a little bit. And maybe it does settle down. Export sales haven't kind of lit a fire lately. We got to see what Trump and the Chinese president talk about today and hopefully get some meetings scheduled for later in the year. But I don't think that's necessarily a huge deal. The cash index is still kind of maintaining its premium over the futures market. You got pork cutout values pretty elevated right now. So I think hogs can stay up. But I would definitely be ready to reward, $90 December hogs with some sales. And it might not mean getting all the way to 90, but the next pop up there, just make sure you're taking some action to get some pretty good sales made at levels in December hogs we're not used to. Any questions, please call. Have a good rest of the week.